Scaredy Squirrel by Mélanie Watt. Warning, Scaredy Squirrel insists that everyone wash their hands with antibacterial soap before reading this book. Scaredy Squirrel by Mélanie Watt. Scaredy Squirrel never leaves his nut tree. The unknown. He'd rather stay in his safe and familiar tree than risk venturing out into the unknown. The unknown can be a scary place for a squirrel. A few things Scaredy Squirrel is afraid of: green Martians, killer bees, tarantulas, poison ivy, germs, and sharks. So he's perfectly happy to stay right where he is. Advantages of never leaving the nut tree: a great view, plenty of nuts, safe place, no tarantulas, green Martians, killer bees, etc., etc., etc. Disadvantages of never leaving the nut tree: the same old view, same old nuts, same old place. In Scaredy Squirrel's nut tree, every day is the same. Everything is predictable. All is under control. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. All the same. Scaredy Squirrel's daily routine: 6:45 a.m. wake up, 7 a.m. eat a nut, 7:15 look at the view, noon eat a nut, 12:30 look at the view, 5 p.m. eat a nut, 5:31 look at the view, 8 p.m. go to sleep. But let's say, just for example, that something unexpected did happen. You can rest assured that this squirrel is prepared. What to do in case of an emergency according to Scaredy Squirrel: Step 1, panic. Step 2, run. Step 3, get kit. Step 4, put on kit. Step 5, consult exit plan. Step 6, exit tree. If there's absolutely, definitely, truly no other option. Exit 1, exit 2, exit 3, exit 4. The top secret exit plan. Remember, if all else fails, playing dead is always a good option. With his emergency kit in hand, Scaredy Squirrel watches. Day after day, he watches. Until one day. Thursday, 9:37 a.m. A killer bee appears. Scaredy Squirrel jumps in panic, knocking his emergency kit out of the tree. This was not part of the plan. Scaredy Squirrel jumps to catch his kit. He quickly regrets his idea. The parachute is in the kit, but something incredible happens. He starts to glide. Scaredy Squirrel is no ordinary squirrel. He's a flying squirrel. He feels overjoyed, adventurous, carefree, alive, until he lands in a bush. Scaredy Squirrel forgets all about the killer bee, not to mention the tarantulas, poison ivy, green Martians, germs, and sharks, and plays dead. 30 minutes later, 1 hour later, 2 hours later. Finally, Scaredy Squirrel realizes that nothing horrible is happening in the unknown today, so he returns to his nut tree. All this excitement has inspired Scaredy Squirrel to make drastic changes to his life. Scaredy Squirrel's new and improved daily routine: 6:45 a.m. wake up, 7 a.m. eat a nut, 7:15 look at the view, 9:37 a.m. jump into the unknown, 9:45 a.m. play dead, 11:45 a.m. return home, noon eat a nut, 12:30 look at the view, 5 p.m. eat a nut, 5:31 look at the view, and 8 p.m. go to sleep. P.S. As for the emergency kit, Scaredy Squirrel is in no hurry to pick it up just yet. The end.